Hello loves, welcome to Unique Makes by Christina. Today I have some of the cutest Valentine paper pads to share with you from Miss Kate's Monday Funday sale that she has every Monday, where she put paper pads at $8.99. So let's go ahead and check out what paper pad deal I was able to get. I am so excited. Look at this paper pad and look at all the cuteness. So the paper pad that she had on sale was called Happy Valentine's Day. OMG, look at all the pinks, the blues, the yellows, and the greens. I love Valentine anyways, but I want to get out of my comfort zone, so I went ahead and got this pad because it does have some colors that I really don't play with during Valentine's Day. I'm usually a pink and red, some blues kind of girl, but yeah, this one has green, so I want to go ahead and try that with some yellows. So I got me some paper pad, and of course also some dies here that matches the pad. Now the cutting dies are regular price. The paper pad was on sale, so let's go ahead and look at the paper pad first. And this just it's a bunch of cuteness right here. Cute, cute, cute. Look at that. The paper pad is 12 by 12. It is double-sided. You do get 20 sheets of paper, 39 designs. You get one sticker sheet that has more than 60 stickers, which is this down here, like that. You get 4 sheets of 3 by 4 elements, and then you also get 1 sheet of 4 by 4. So let's go ahead and check out this beautiful paper pad. Look at that. Let me show you the front. Yeah, this paper is good quality. It's nice and thick, and it does have a little shine to it. Look at that. Look at the yellow with the white hearts. Then you have different color hearts. Then check out the cut parts. I love her cut parts. So you got Happy Valentine's Day. You got To My Love. Just my type. Beautiful. And then look at that. Wow. Oh, I love the raccoon. Then you got the love. You do have hugs. Of course, you got the sexy lips. So cute. This is adorable. Love, 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 love. Look at that. You got the flower, the roses. And then you also got some more cutter parts. You got You Captured My Heart. Hugs and Kisses. Be Mine. Yeah, love it. Love, love, love. And you got this one here, and you got like the graph grid, and then you do have some elements at the corners, and of course some more cutter parts. And then this one right here, the raccoon is my favorite. You Stole My Heart. Look at that. Now I know the sale is over because it's only lasts for 24 hours, but you could always buy this pad because it's available on her site. But look at that. And she does also have a club kit. That's the thing. She does monthly. Yeah, some more hearts. Check out the cutie patootie raccoon. Love that. Look at this one. This will remind me like a teacher paper. And you got some more hearts. Yeah, like the teal with the white hearts. And then, oh, look at that. Look at all that gorgeousness. Love it. You have that one. Look at that. Love it. I would so wear a shirt like that. And then this one, letters and lips with some flowers. Beautiful. Got some green hearts on white. You have some more flowers. Oh, this is a nice pink one. Then you do got the word kiss at the bottom. This would be a nice tag if you laminate it and then put your, or even a real big bookmark, or even a junk journal charm. And I got the green one, and yellow hearts, black with white hearts. Oh wow, look at that. Look at that. And this one gives me Christmas vibes, but hey, you can still use it. Look at that. Beautiful flowers. With the white hearts. Then you do got all the love, hugs, and kisses on here. There's some pink hearts. With another word on the bottom, which is love. The green background with the white hearts. And look at that. The yellow grid. Oh, I love this. You got the teal hearts with some roses. Beautiful. And then you do have the pink with white hearts. I love the pink. And then you got your little light teal grid. And then here goes your sticker sheet, which is amazing. Look at that. Let's put it this way. You got the typewriter, you do got the letter and the postcard. Well, you got two letters. You got all the hearts, you got sentiments. Let me give you guys a closer look so you can see it. Look at that. That is gorgeous. So that is a paper pad and a sticker. Now, like I said, I also got the matching die cuts. And the die cuts are $7.99. And this one comes with 60 cardstock die cut pieces. And let me show you what's in the package. Look at that. Beautiful. So let's take a little closer look at this one. And this comes in all kinds of sizes. I'll take a few. Look at that. You still got a lot in there. Oh, a cutie patootie raccoon. It says, "You stole my heart." You got the hearts. Oops. Look at the hearts. That is nice. I love it. You got another heart. You have some of rose. A sentiment, February 14th. You got the word love. You have some more flowers. Some bouquets. Look at that. Yeah, I love this kit. Happy Valentine's Day. So it comes in different sizes, shapes, all kinds of goodness. You got a stamp. And also some lips in here. Where are the lips? Got another rose. Got the letter. I saw some lips in here. Oh yeah, here they go. And you got some little tiny little lips. But yeah, this is just a little bit of the die cuts. But that's pretty much what the die cuts come in. And like I said, there's still a lot more in there. Like I said, do subscribe to her site because she always posts when she has deals. Sometimes she has overstock deals, bargain bin deals, and then of course every Monday she does have the paper pad deals also. Plus they do have monthly kit subscription if you want to get into. I'm thinking about it. Don't know if I want to yet, but I do love the paper, so I might. We'll see. I will leave the links below on this paper pad and the die cuts in case you want to grab it for yourself. It's not at $8.99 anymore. It was only a 24-hour sale, but you usually have these paper pads on sale, so ranging from $15.99 to I believe $20.99. But yeah, I will leave all the links below on this, and yeah, another amazing paper pad from Miss Kate. Make sure you leave a comment. Let me know what your thoughts on this paper pad. Is this something that you use to do your crafting? Make sure you subscribe if you haven't. Hit the notifications because I do upload videos on a lot of hauls, which I give you deals and show you new little things that I found. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.